So I will set this up for you guys to see. We need to test this and see how it works, how my makeup is going to look with just the ring light, and how my makeup is going to look with the soft boxes by my side. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Ada here as always. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I am going to be doing an unboxing video. You guys have been wanting to get this for so long. The newer soft box that I got. We are going to be unboxing this newer soft box that I got, and today is my first day. It will be my first day of actually using this. So I just hope it's really good, like it's really worth it. So I got this because of my makeup channel, Beauty by Ada. If you're wondering why my face is like this, I just finished filming a makeup look, so I decided to just pop up and do this unboxing so that I can test this thing out and see how it is, because I need more lighting. Even though I don't have a camera, I film with my phone. I feel like I need just more lighting for now, and later on I will definitely get a camera, but for now let's just unbox this thing. If you're new to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell, because you will love it here. You will love my channel, guys. And if you want to check out my beauty channel, I will leave the link in the description box down below, so you can also check that out. For now, let's just go ahead and unbox this. Okay. My room might be a oh gosh, am I supposed to hold this thing? Okay, let's see. Olivia, get back and leave your hand from that thing. Okay, here it is, but I don't know why it came with this. I think I told you guys, I think I told this while trying to open it up. I think that was when I told this, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and see what we have in here. Oh, it has this. Open it up. So, ooh. Let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, I think I am guessing these are the legs or something, but let's pull it out. Let's see what it's in here. On the way, I don't want to ruin my makeup. Oh my god. Let's see what this is. Okay. So this I think this, yeah, this is the box. These are the boxes. So you guys, these are the boxes. I think this is the box, one of the box, and it comes with this wire, or it comes with this cable. So okay, it comes with this cable. So let's see let's see the second one. So I think, oh yeah, this is the cover. Yeah, to dim the light if you want the light to be dim. It actually came with a little manual. But so these are the cables, I guess. These are the covers for the light. So when you don't want the light to be much, you can just, you know, put that on and reduce the light or something. Yeah, this is the second box. It's a 2-in-1 box. I'll leave everything in the description box down below. I'll leave the link so that you can get yours. It has so many good reviews, you guys, and that was why I got it, and I'll definitely tell you guys my honest review about it and, you know, what I think about it. Okay, let's see. Alright, so in here, ooh, so the second bulb. Oh my god, you guys, this is huge. This is so big. This is the second light. Let me keep that aside so I can fix it. And then in here, oh, this is the carrying bag. I will definitely pack up everything in here just in case. I'll pack up all the cartons and everything just in here. I guess, yeah, this is the leg. So this is one of the leg, and this is the second leg of, this is the second leg. Ooh. Oh my god, I can't believe I got this. You guys, I'm saving up for my camera. My camera is next on the line, you guys. My camera is next. And I'm so happy. I'm so excited, you guys. So I'm using this up. Let's see what we got. Okay, sis. Okay. So this is what we have right here. So I will set this up for you guys to see. We need to test this and see how it works, how my makeup is going to look with just the ring light, and how my makeup is going to look with the soft boxes by my side. So let's see that. Let's see what is going on. Let's see what is going on. I am so excited. You guys, you don't know, I've been saying that my videos that I do for my makeup and some of my videos are crap, even though people keep assuring me that they are not, that they are good. Please also let me know what you think in the comment section about my video quality and everything. I'm saving seriously to get a camera, so you guys will start seeing clean, better quality videos soon. Like, you guys, I'm getting ready for this. I am. Ooh. The legs are strong. That is one thing I noticed about it. I love that the legs are really, they look really sturdy. That's one thing I love about this. So you don't have to fear for your lights falling down. I just love newer products. I use their ring light as well. That is what I am using currently. And with this light, you guys, I can film anytime. I can film at night. You know, whenever there is no natural light coming, I can always film that. That was the main reason why I got this. Okay, so let's set this up. Okay, right here. Okay, I see you. Do I okay, oh, all right. So what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to take this off? They come with their separate cables. That is another thing I like about it. They come with their separate cables, so you can actually use them separately. If you want just one, you can use just the one. And this thing looks very durable. It looks very sturdy. It looks really sturdy. That is something else I like about it. Yeah, it looks so. I'm supposed to take this off before putting it in. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. Right? So. So I have put on the second one. You guys, you know, this is my first time of using this, so I don't know what to do and what not to do, but I hope I'm getting it right. This time I'll definitely figure it out. I mean, it shouldn't be hard. So these are the covers, and I like that the light isn't like really blinding. I mean, I'm looking at it, you know. So, but then I still have to, let me go ahead and cover this up. Let me see how that works, because I'm about to be on lit. I'm about to be fired. They are both set. So I don't know, but tell me what you see. This is me with the soft boxes by my side. I don't know if I placed it correctly yet, but I don't know if I placed it okay, but I'll definitely look it up on YouTube and see how to place it, and you know, to get the perfect picture. But this is me with the soft box, and then let me put up the soft boxes and then show you guys me without the soft boxes, so you guys can tell me if there's any difference. I don't know, but you guys can tell me if there's any difference at all. So you guys, this is me with just my ring light right there. I don't know how is it. You guys should tell me. Let me know how the picture, how the video is, and how it's coming out. You know, I'll also take a picture to show you guys the two, and then tell me how it's, if it's like a great, if it makes, if it like made any difference or not. I'll definitely know. But this is just me with my ring light and my room light on. So just go ahead and tell me in the comment section if it made any difference, because they said it will make a difference if I, even if I don't have a camera, I should just go ahead and get more light. I need lightning. So that was what I did. I just hope my pictures come out perfect. So you guys, I will take the pictures and I will definitely show you guys the before the soft box and after the soft box, so you guys can pick which one is better. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share my video, because that helps my channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that yet. If that button right down there is still red, click on it because you have not subscribed, and click on the notification bell so you know when next I post any new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. And guys, don't forget to check out my beauty channel so you can see all the hair tutorial, hair growth tips, makeup tutorial, and everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.